Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure power and connectivity aren't the problem. Plug the AirPods and case in until they reach above 50% and keep them near your iPhone. Next, open Bluetooth in settings and forget the AirPods. This clears stale pairings. Once done, confirm your iPhone is up to date and Find My is active on your Apple ID. This step matters because Find My requires a valid Apple ID and current firmware to re-register the device. You perform the reset by placing both AirPods in the case, closing the lid for 30 seconds, then opening and holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This forces a fresh pairing state and clears potential firmware hiccups. After that, bring the case near your iPhone and follow the pairing animation to reconnect. Make sure you accept any prompts for location or Bluetooth access, so Find My can register. You finish by verifying the AirPods appear in the Find My app and using Play Sound to test responsiveness. This confirms both location services and remote commands are working. If they don't show up, sign out of iCloud on your iPhone, then sign back in and repeat the reset sequence. This refreshes device registration. If problems persist, try pairing with a different iPhone to isolate hardware issues and ensure the AirPods receive the latest firmware via a connected iPhone before retesting proximity and Find My functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.